In this video, we'll teach you how to get a refund on Cash App. First of all, you need to open the application, then click the profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down until you will see support. Click on support and in the search write dispute. Just write this keyword and then choose submitting any dispute from this list. Right here, you need to scroll all the way down and click on submit a new dispute and then start the dispute process. It will show you all of your transactions, and from here you need to choose the transaction which you want to dispute. So choose the transaction, and then as you can see, this payment is already refunded, but in your case, you need to choose the transaction, and then you need to go through prompts. You need to report, write all of the information, what happened and why you want to refund. And if Cash App approves your dispute request, you will receive your money back. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.